Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making a doubt clarification video for student doubts. So the first doubt is that what is improvement exam and how to apply for improvement exam and what are the dates. So if any student is not satisfied with their marks, then they can go for betterment exam, that is nothing but advanced supplementary exam. So when you attend this exam, whatever marks you get, if those marks are higher than your original marks, then the higher marks will be considered in your memo. But if your new score is less than your original marks, then also there is no risk in this. Your old marks will be considered in your memo. So all the first year students can write the supplementary exams only if they want to improve their score. For 1 or 2 marks, I suggest students don't go for this. So the supplementary exams would be conducted in the month of May, from May to June, last week of May, and practicals would be conducted in the first week of June, probably in 2 sessions, 9 to 12 one batch, then 2 to 5 another batch. Next doubt is if inter second year syllabus is changing or not. So already the TGBI board is trying to make some changes in intermediate syllabus, especially the science subjects like chemistry. They want to reduce 30% syllabus of chemistry and they want to align with NCERT syllabus, and they also want to add AI as a part of English language learning curriculum. But unlikely there won't be any changes in maths, physics or botany. The subject experts are still finalizing the changes, but the exam paper pattern for the year 2025 will continue to include more of MCQ type application based questions. So the finalization process is still going on. Nothing has been officially announced by the board till now. So just stay connected with my channel and definitely I will update you here if there is any official announcement. Next doubt is if 25% of inter marks will be added to EPSET 2025. So no students, inter marks won't be added to EPSET 2025. The final score for TS EPSET admissions completely depends on the marks you get in your EPSET exam. So there was this practice of giving 25% weightage to IPE marks in EAMCET ranking, but now it has been discontinued from the year 2023 onwards. Okay, so now there is nothing as such. Now let us see the grading system. If you get 750 and above, that means you got 75% and above and your grade will be A. If you get marks between 600 to 749, that means you got 60% to 75%, that is B grade. If you got marks between 500 to 599, that means you got 50 to 60%, the grade is C grade. If you got marks between 350 to 499, that means you got 35% to 50% and your grade will be D grade. But if you got below 350, that means you are failed in intermediate. If you get 349 as a total, that is less than 35%, so no grade will be awarded. So in every subject you must score at least 35% to pass intermediate. So repeatedly students have asked me whether second year students can write betterment exams or not. No, they cannot write, students, because if they want to write, then they have to cancel all their previous marks and then in all the subjects they have to write the exams, and it would be very hectic and distracting also. So for 1 or 2 marks, don't think of writing all the supplementary exams. Just let it go until and unless it is affecting your EPSET or NEET eligibility. And nowadays for revaluation, hardly students will apply. It's only the toppers who will apply for revaluation, who actually care for 1 or 2 marks or even half mark. So as I had updated earlier, after 24th, any day you can expect your result. And where to check the result? On the official website tgbie.cgg.gov.in. So this is the official website to check your result. So it completely depends upon the uploading students. Corrections, everything is done as I told you. But a student will be a student and they comment me that they're getting panicked, tensed for the results. So just don't take tension and stress. Just pray to God and inshallah all of you will pass with flying colors.